Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to blur a video on Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna blur a video or something that you wanna cover, for example, I wanna cover the face of this subject. So first, what I'm going to do is go to this section, which is the color section, and here you just need to click window. And here in window, you just need to select what is the shape of the blurry effect that you want to cover on this subject. So I'm gonna choose a rectangle, and then once I click a rectangle, I need to center the rectangle to the center of the face of the subject. And then next is go to tracker. So here all you need to do is just press this button, track forward button. This will track the movement of the face of the subject. And all you need to do is wait until the tracking is done or until the subject is out of the frame. You can see here that the process is tracking the face of our subject. And once the tracking is done, all you need to do is go to this section, which is the blurry or the blur section. Click on it, and here you'll see radius. All you need to do is drag this slider up, and once you drag the slider up, let's check if the subject or the face of the subject is already blurry. Go to cut. There you go. The face of our subject is already blurry. And that's how you blur a video or a face or something that you want to cover in your clip on DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.